It's Ish from our friend
Ish.
Peter Reynolds' book that we love, Ish.
It's all Ish with us.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to make a book. We make
What?
a lot of books. I know. We make a lot of books around here, but this one's sort of different.
Okay.
Something we're going to practice because I didn't actually do this before. That's just what I think is going to work. That we're going to do this summer with the kids. So the first thing you need is some paper. So I took some watercolor paper. This one already has a drawing on it. These ones are plain. I'm recycling some paper. These are some pieces that kids made but never signed anything. So we're going to use that.
Interesting.
So I'm going to use this as the cover. So I'm putting that one down first. And then I'm going to put these other ones on top and kind of, this piece of paper is slightly smaller. So I'm going to sort of aim that for the middle. And then these ones are also smaller than the outside ones, which is fine. We're going to a bit bigger than that. So we're just going to sort of aim to get them where we want them to be.
Ish from our friend
Ish.
Peter Reynolds' book that we love, Ish.
It's all Ish with us.
Yeah.
I'm going to
Book
fold
Ish.
them over.
Ooh.
And then make a crease here as best I can.
Do you think
Make it
maybe if
crease.
you needed help, you could get your grown up to
Oh
help?
yes.
Yeah.
And you could also use something like a pair of scissors. Here we got a pair of scissors right here that I could use to smush it down, or a ruler, something as I sort of want it to be.
Something
A
smushy.
good crease. And so how many pages did we say we had at first? We didn't say.
There were like
Okay.
3. You used
So 1,
thick
2,
paper.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of paper, but guess how many pages we're going to have?
More than that.
Way more than that. We're going to show you at the
What?
end, yes. So now we have this crease down the middle. And underneath this I'm going to use a box that we have because I don't want to poke a hole in our table. That would be not so
okay.
great.
Don't poke a hole in our
Don't
table.
poke a hole. That's a bad idea.
Or hurt yourself.
So I'm using this thing. It's called an awl. If you don't have an awl, you could use a pointy screwdriver, I think. But we have an awl. It's something you can get at the hardware store.
AWL.
And I don't even know what it's used for. At our house growing up, my dad used it to chip the ice when the freezer
or an ice
went over.
pick. Yeah.
Oh, maybe it was an ice pick. Okay, so
All
I'm
right.
going to guess kind of where the middle is, top to bottom, and press a hole through. So hopefully the hole went all the way through, but
It
we're going
went
to
all the
find
way
out.
through. It didn't go very far, Miss Kate.
Okay, now I'm going to do, so I'm making 3 holes.
Okay.
There are other kinds of books where you can make like different kinds of holes, but the one we're doing is this. So now I'm going to make sure they went all the way through. And they did. I can see the holes
They
right
went
there.
all the way through.
All.
AWL. All.
Now, the next thing you need is, I'm using embroidery thread, but you could probably use yarn or kitchen twine or something like that. I'm also using a plastic needle with a giant eye, because that's easier to poke through. You could also use a regular needle. Okay, so here we go. I'm not going to need all of this, but just in case, I don't want to cut it yet. So I'm going to flip it over a little bit and try and poke this through the hole.
Starting from the outside?
Yes, you could start in the inside and then you'd have your knot, like the tie off in the middle if you didn't like the way it looked on the outside. But I'm going to do it this way. You could definitely do it the other way and it would be fine. So now I pulled that through as far as I think I need it, but I may need a little bit more. Now I'm going to go to the top side and holding all my papers together, I'm going to poke it back through. If you need to clip it together like with a paper clip or a binder clip to make it easier, you could definitely do that.
To hold it all
To
together.
hold them together, yes. Now this one,
Which hole did you go
oh
from
sorry, I
that
went through
time?
the top. So I went through the top hole, and now I'm going to pull it back this side. And we're going to attempt, and hopefully all the pages stayed together, but it kind of looks like they didn't. So this one I'm going to have to be very
You can look
careful
for it.
with, yes.
Oh, yeah.
So I can see where the rest of the holes are. Poke it all the way, all the way back through. This is where experiments on camera are maybe not so great. because I can't see. Okay, oh, but I got it through.
Oh, there's one more.
Oh, I missed one. Okay. So now, I have this. I'm gonna pull this one through,
All right.
and now I'm gonna sort of pull it so it's a little bit tight, but not so tight that I'm ripping the pages. And now it's gonna go back through the middle hole. This is where it gets very exciting. And again, they're not totally lined up anymore.
Oh my gosh, Miss Kate.
Yeah, that's probably why the
Maybe
using
it's a
something
good
to clip
idea
it.
to clip it.
Maybe the better idea is to clip it. Yeah, I think much better idea is to clip it. But
All right.
since I didn't do that, we're gonna just make it work.
Learn from Miss Kate's trial
Yes.
and error.
It's always good to figure
I
this
think that a lot of life is about trial and error. You try things and they're great or they're not.
They're not
and then
great,
you
and
know
you
you're
just-
going to do it again or you're not going to do it again. Oh,
Exactly.
look at that.
Now I have
All right.
everything on this side, but now I've got to pull. Oops. Okay, so now I'm going to carefully pull it so everything is tight. See, it's tight on this side, but not so tight that it's going to rip. And it's tight on this side, but not so tight that it's problematic. And I can pull it back through.
That's a fancy word, Miss Kate.
Problematic. Yes, I like that word too. Okay, now one of these is going to go under the long string so that when we tie it, and see I'm putting my finger right there. Do you ever do that when you tie your shoes? You put your finger right where you're going to make your knot.
Or if you're helping somebody wrap a present, they'll say,
Mhm.
could you put your finger here?
Exactly. I'm doing that so that it doesn't become loose. I'm going to tie it there. I did one, now I'm going to tie it so it really locks in place. And then I can tie a bow. And it won't matter if it comes undone. So you could leave it like this and that would look really pretty, just to have it dangly. Or you can tie it in a bow and that way it will just look lovely. And it could be you could double it up so it really doesn't come undone. Now I want these to be equal in length. So I'm going to, I can measure this, and pull them up and cut off the rest of this so it's about the same. It's not going to be perfectly even. And voila, now you have a book.
Oh,
That you can-
so I
so
can
look
see
at
what
this.
it
So
looks like.
This is the cover.
Very nice.
I could write a story or I could use it, I could hold it in my backpack and draw on it.
Sketchbook.
I can do whatever.
Oh.
So there's the cover. Here's the first page. It already has some color on it, so you could draw over this, or you could
Make a
glue
comic
things in.
book.
You can make a
Oh,
comic book. You
yeah.
can sort of do whatever you want in this one. So that's page
Ooh.
1. Here's page 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. So wait, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, oh my gosh, 12, 13, 14, 15,
That's a lot.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 pages to do whatever you want in it. So you could
Very
make a
exciting.
smaller book, you could make a bigger
Yeah.
book, you could do, like I said, whatever you want. You could also use plain paper for your cover and then draw whatever you want on it. For myself, this thick paper makes sense for how I would use it. But also, this paper was just pretty. And so
It's just
gluing
pretty.
things in, like doing a little decoupage sort of
Top
thing
of it,
there,
yeah.
would
Very
be
nice.
fun. Or drawing with pencil, or not so, not heavy duty markers. And I think that's it.
That's all.
Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time. Hope you make a book.
Yeah. Bye, friends.